le ayenzile lebhala imali ngangambona ngangena ngikhombisa yena kanti sikhombe kanje can't do that abantu vele bazobanga umsindo mabedlula these are human beings vele bazobanga abakhali but asikho isidingo sokubathuka vele ama-citizens ama-voters labo yena kahle kahle abantu abamphethe emhlabeni labantu labo ibona abantu ekumele ba-respect bakhomba ngomunye phakathi what gives you a right to show to the citizens omunye ngaphakathi these people have problems with foreigners and drugs their kids are dying of drugs and alcohol people are dying they're being killed every day their money is stuck there in the Madanga Commission you come and point this to them that's a shame by the way. These are professionals, these are business people, these are fathers and children of people who have died for this country. And you show them a middle finger. Then they must go and vote for you. You show them a middle finger. You don't do